I'm always amazed when sometimes agents will call me for a complimentary coaching call. They'll leave a message. I'm very good about calling you back right away. And then I call and their voicemail is full. Or they haven't set up their voicemail with a custom greeting that sounds like them, that goes right to the beep, and I don't have to listen to that robot voice afterwards. So how you come across to the public is important. Imagine calling Disney and you get that automated message that hasn't set up the voicemail yet. That would be crazy, or any business that you do business with. So doing things right, every little thing right these days, technology, the technology can make you rich, but doing it wrong can make you poor. So if you'd like to sell way more real estate, earn your full worth in real estate. If you're earning less than you wish you were right now and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, we cover every single thing in your entire business to make you look like a pro, talk like a pro, be a pro. We're going to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.